do a road trip. Like, I thought we were going to do a trip together.
I like the road trip idea. I do. But I don't know. I just kind of feel like just taking a train straight there to San Francisco and enjoying the time in San Francisco.
Yeah, but like, okay, the thing that I was thinking was that if we get up there and we're in San Francisco, the whole thing, how expensive that's going to be. Like, I thought we were going to do the road trip and like we were going to stop at different places along the way and just like.
No, that sounds fun, but
freedom to do whatever it is that we want to do.
There's probably a lot of stuff to do in San Francisco and a lot of sights to see. So. I mean, are we going to be able to fit all that in within a week?
I don't know. We're just going to kind of wing it and see what happens. But, like, I mean, if we just take a trip up there just to go to... Oh, my God. See what happens. But, like, I mean, if we just take a trip up there just to go to...